Welcome once again, and I'm going to be talking about the next equation, which is this one. So I'm going to write it again. I'm going to force it to be like the one that I told you. I'm going to force it. I want it to be in this form: ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0, like this. Right, I'm going to say x to the power of 8. What if I say x to the power of 4? Then I get another one to the power of 2 here. The answer will still be x to the power of 8. Then I say minus 15. Then we get an x to the power of 4, like that. It's okay. Minus 16. The answer is going to be equal to 0, like this. Right. Given this, I must be able to say let me now have a b, probably b be equal to x to the power of 3, or to the power of 4, sorry. So where there is x to the power of 4, I'm going to put a b. I'm going to have a b to the power of 2 minus 15b, then minus 16, like this, is equal to 0, like this. Right, so I'm going to have factors of minus 16 that give me minus 15. Let's check. Which are they? Minus 15. If I say minus 16 plus 1, yes, I'm going to get a minus 15. Minus 16 multiplied by 1, I'm going to get a minus 16. That's very correct. So these are the factors that satisfy this. So I'm going to have b squared minus 16b plus b, then minus 16. This is going to give me a 0. Right. Given this, I'm going to say b outside the brackets. Oh, I'll say b. Yeah, b outside the brackets. Then I have a b minus 16, like this. It will still give me the same number. Then if I say minus b outside the brackets, not minus b, it's now minus 1. I think it's going to be minus 1 because that's the common factor of plus b and minus 16. So I'm going to say minus 1 outside the brackets, and then I say b plus. If I say plus, I'll get a minus b plus 16, like this. Right, let me see where I went wrong here. B plus 16, it must be plus, yes, plus 16, like this. Right, I might, because this is not a common factor, these two are not. Let me go back to my question in above here and say minus 16, which factors of minus 16 give me minus 15, isn't it? Right, minus 16 factors, if we say minus 16 multiplied by 1, I'll get a minus 16. If I say minus 16 plus 1, I'll get a minus 15. It means I'm very correct here. B squared minus 16b plus b minus 16. B outside the brackets, b minus 16. This is correct. Then I say minus 1 outside the brackets. No, it's plus 1. Can you see that? Not minus 1, plus 1. Then I say b, this should be minus 16 again. So that's where I made a mistake. This should be minus 16 again. Like that. These are some of the errors that you most likely going to make in your calculations. Just the signs, and then they change everything. So here now, if you look at this, b plus 1 is equal to 0 or b minus 16 is equal to 0. This means our b is either minus 1 or b is equal to 16. These are the values of my b. B is equal to minus 1 or b is equal to 16. Right. Now I'm going to say if b is minus 1, I know that x to the power of 4 is equal to x to the 4th power is equal to minus 1. Right. What do we do here? If you say minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, you get plus 1. Plus 1 multiplied by minus 1, we now have 3, you get a minus 1. If you say minus 1 multiplied by Another one, you get positive 1. Right, let's look at this one. X to the power 4 is equal to minus 1. We are looking for a number. If we multiply it 4 times, we should get we'll get this one. Let's say x, if we say minus 1 times minus 1, right? Oh, in this case, yes, x is minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1. 1 times this. Which number do we multiply by 4 times to get this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is going to be minus 1, isn't it? If you say minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1, you get minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Like this. That's the value of x, isn't it? Then if x is equal to minus 1, when x is equal to 4, b is equal to 16. So we want to find the value of x. X is equal to, we can put this to the power of 4. This is the same as saying 2 to the power of 4. 16 is the same as saying 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So these are the 2 values of my x here. Either x is minus 1 or x is 2. Okay, thank you very much. Let me go to the next equation, which is L. I want you to watch the next video.